Hey everyone, this is Kelsey, your Navigating Neopoet workshop leader. Today for task number 7, we're going to use the search option on Neopoet. So you're going to go up to Tools and then select Search. Today we want to find a specific user. Those are members of our community. So I'm going to select the user button and then I'm going to start typing in my keyword. Now your keyword is their name, but you may not always necessarily know their exact name. But the more you know it, the better. So I'm going to try swamp. So when I click search, there's my results. I come up, that's Swampwitch. If you click that name, it's going to take you to my profile. However, if I wasn't really sure the person's name, I only had a vague idea of maybe the first few letters. I only glanced at their name, for example. I can just type what I think I recall. So, for example, SWA, and click search. Then some more folks are going to pop up. Swamp, Swan, Amber Louise Swanson, Snow is Water. So it's going to give me more options to help me try to find what I'm looking for. And that's it. Thanks. Bye.